Hi everyone, this is Valentine. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am reviewing my new piece by Cartier, and that's the one that I'm wearing right now. It's this Cartier Love necklace with diamonds. One of the rings have diamonds on, and the other ring it's just a small, cute, gorgeous love ring. I'm so very excited to get new Cartier pieces all the time. Today I'm going to show you the piece, I'm going to show you the package, and so very on. So this piece was my Christmas gift from my husband. So our wedding bands are Cartier, and my husband actually had this idea of getting me the necklace, which is having two Cartier Love rings together, same as our wedding bands, because our wedding bands are Cartier Love rings. I actually really wanted the one without diamonds because it have two Cartier Love rings, and it's actually representing our rings and, like, you know, our love and our band, our like tie all together. But at the end of the day, he decided to go for the diamond one, which is double in price, because the regular one is I think 2700s and the one with diamonds is 5300s. So before tax, of course, American. By the way, in Europe it's way more expensive, which is crazy. I'll talk about it a little bit later. So my husband decided to surprise me and to upgrade my gift to the one with diamonds, and yeah, so now I ended up with like a piece with diamonds. Yes, that's so very nice to have an amazing husband. I highly recommend you that, girls, absolutely. So this is what the pieces represent for us. So because there is actually one love ring and the other one is with diamonds, I've decided that I'm gonna add one more ring to my necklace, and I bought on eBay, because these aren't available anymore, a Cartier Love Charm. So this charm is supposed to go to your bracelet, and I had this idea. I said I'm gonna buy this charm and I'm gonna put it on the necklace of mine, and this is how I'm going to end up with two love rings and one ring with diamonds. But it just looked absolutely weird. I posted this to my stories and people were like, it's just, this necklace is already a perfection and there's nothing else that you need to add on top of this necklace. And this is how and why I've decided that I'm gonna return this Cartier Love Charm. So Cartier do not sell these charms anymore. It's like old collections. They are only available in pre-owned condition. So I've got mine from eBay, from Japanese seller, and I paid around $1,000 for this one small charm. They are going for around 1300s, and I've got a good deal. And unfortunately I had to pay like $70 or $75 for shipping to ship it back to Japan, but it still was worth it because I've got my $1,000 back, right? Anyway, that was a bad idea. So if you have any similar idea to that, just so you know, it's not gonna work. Another thing I want to talk about is the prices. So guys, I've noticed this crazy thing that if you will go to the European website of Cartier, online website of Cartier, you will see all the prices in euros, first of all, and second, they are way more expensive than buying here in the United States, and that's crazy. So the tax, like the sales tax in Europe, is higher. It's around 15, 11, 18%. It really depends on the country we're talking about. So I guess as a result of the sales tax, the prices in Europe are way higher, and that's really surprising because it's a known thing here in America that shopping in Europe is the best and the cheapest. But that's because you are getting the tax return. But if you are holding a European passport, you cannot get the tax return. So it is way better for you to go basically travel to the States and get it here, because the price difference is like $500, $600, $800, $1,000 for some pieces. Like, it is a lot of money. It's a big difference. And yes, the prices here in the States are before taxes. So it really depends what state you live in. So I live in North Carolina and the tax here is 5%. If you live in Oregon, if you live in Delaware or Alaska, you can absolutely order it online and get it shipped to you. So you can go check out the items in their boutique in another state where their boutique is available, and then basically go back to Oregon, or if you have any family or friends in Oregon, order it online from Cartier website, ship it to Oregon to yourself, or, you know, to any one of your friends or family, and ask them to reship, and you will get it tax-free, which this is amazing. So you need to do your math. It really depends on what type of passport you are holding. If you can get it from Europe tax-free, which means you are not holding European passport of the country that you are going to buy it from, then you can get a tax return from this country. They're basically going to refund your credit card, and I've done it before in Europe. It's amazing. A few weeks after, you're just basically getting like a few $1,000s of like return to your credit card of a refund. You're like, wow, that's amazing. So do your homework, check it well, and I'm just here to tell you guys that it is not for 100% that if you will go to Europe, you'll get it for cheaper. By the way, yeah, we bought it on online because we have no boutique here in North Carolina, and the closest boutique to us is DC. This is where my husband bought me the Cartier bracelet the very last time we've been there. It came with all the documentation and the box, the very, very famous Cartier box. This is how it arrived. The thing of the box is the fact that you open it and it's like, you know, automatically opens itself. And yeah, this is where the necklace used to be, but right now it's on my neck. Oh yeah. Well guys, please let me know your opinion about the necklace. Let me know your opinion about this video of mine, and well, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you all in my next videos. I love you all. XOXO. Valentine.